1936. Once an engine block was cast, every mating surface had to be ground flat to 5/10,000ths of an inch, thinner than a human hair. The grinder you see used a stone wheel spinning at 3,500 RPM. If the wheel exploded from a manufacturing flaw, fragments could travel 150 feet per second. Grinder shrapnel killed at least 4 men a year at General Motors in the 1930s. Nobody wore face shields until the 1950s. The men in this trade wore steel mesh masks and lost teeth to flying stone chips. This is what precision cost.